We are back.
Hello.
So, మనకి షొనాలి ప్రామిస్ చేసినట్టు కేవా how exactly you pronounce that?
Kehwa.
Kehwa, sorry. Kehwa. She's going to teach us. This is a traditional Kashmiri tea అనుకోవచ్చు, hot drink అనొచ్చు, ఏమన్నా మనం దాన్ని పిలవచ్చు. As long as we pronounce it right. Kehwa. Yeah? So ready? ఇవన్నీ secrets అండి, secrets. Let's learn them.
All right. So Kehwa is one of the 4 different types of teas that are had by Kashmiris, okay?
Wow.
And this is the most popular one. It's like green tea, very much like green tea. But in Kashmir, it's very cold, right? So you don't get a lot of ingredients. So all these dry fruits and all, they add it to the Kehwa, right? That's what makes it so delicious, okay?
It's like green tea only without the caffeine.
Correct. Yes, absolutely.
It's so delicious. ఈ రోజే ట్రై చేయండి మీరు.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to talk about the ingredients, right?
Okay.
So water, of course, but
Let
now,
me help you.
Okay. So I have saffron, ground cardamom or elaichi. I have some ground cinnamon,
Wow.
sugar, and this is again ground badam or almonds.
Okay. So I'm going to ask you something. Instead of white sugar, do we have a substitute?
My
dates.
dear Manjula is going to, of course, have the
So నేనేమంటానంటే
options.
either dates, honey, బెల్లం. సో నాకు ఏదన్నా ఆల్టర్నేటివ్ వైట్ షుగర్
Correct.
వద్దు మనకి.
Yeah.
What do you say?
You're right, absolutely. And there are obviously, different choices, right?
Okay.
So you can use honey, you can use jaggery. They have their own different taste, undoubtedly. But if you're using honey,
Okay.
it's preferable that you add, or rather it's better that you add it directly in the tea
At the
cup.
end లో.
Correct.
ఎందుకంటే హనీ ఎప్పుడు హీట్ చేయకూడదు. Let's add it at the end. Like the way we used oil, remember? Okay, we don't want this.
We don't
Keep
want
it
it.
aside.
Okay, honey coming up.
How I'm bullying her now. But white sugar is bad, guys. Don't.
Okay.
Okay.
So we have honey as
So
well,
we
right?
have honey. Okay.
All right. Okay. So what we start with is I have some water
Okay.
in the pan. I'm going to add.
So this hot, I mean, are you heating the water?
I will. So I'll add the
No, step by step నేర్పించు మాకు.
Sorry.
Confuse చేయొద్దు.
Okay. So I've taken
teachers. Proper గా నేర్చేసుకుందాం సరేనా? ట్రిక్ చేయడానికి ట్రై చేస్తాను.
Okay. So I have water. Now,
Okay.
of course, I've put in like 3 cups of water in here.
Okay.
Of course, depending upon how much you want to make. I'll start adding the ingredients. I haven't turned on the gas as yet. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, so ముందు మనం ఇంగ్రీడియంట్స్ వేసేసిన తర్వాత okay,
correct.
3 cups water, guys.
Okay. I've put 1.5 teaspoon of, and look at the size of the spoon. That's like almost a pinch.
Yeah, టీ స్పూన్ అంటే టీ స్పూన్ కాదు, బుడ్డి స్పూన్. Okay. So this is what, yeah, elaichi, you know?
Cardamom.
Cardamom.
Yeah. Ground.
Cardamom.
Yeah. Ground elaichi, green elaichi. Then I
Okay.
put some cinnamon in there. This cinnamon again, it makes it too spicy, so you just keep a little bit.
దాల్చిన చెక్క పౌడరు. Okay.
I add a little bit of saffron.
Saffron.
Okay. Now saffron is not just for flavor.
కుంకుమ పువ్వు.
Yeah. For flavor, color. And now I'm going to turn this on. Yeah.
Perfect. So we add all that, 3 cups of water, saffron, cinnamon powder, cinnamon ante dasam chakka powder, then elaichi powder.
Yeah.
Pinch.
Correct. And I'm going to let this boil. Okay.
ఎంతసేపు? How long?
So the water has to boil, right? Now.
సో బాగా బాయిల్ అవ్వాలన్నమాట. అది ఎంతసేపు మనకి 2-3 minutes?
Yeah.
ఓకే. హౌ లాంగ్? ఎంతసేపు పట్టినా కూడా మనకి బాయిలింగ్ పాయింట్కి రావాలి.
Correct.
ఓకే.
Now the reason why we need to boil it is because we are going to add the kehwa, right? Or the Kashmiri green tea, so as to speak, right? So we will add it not to, once the water is boiled, then we add kehwa, right? So the water has to be hot.
అప్పుడే వాటి ఫ్లేవర్స్, దట్ స్మెల్, ద అరోమాస్,
Yes.
it'll all just
Yes.
seep
It has to, leach all of that into the water, right? So we'll just give it a couple of minutes to
Okay.
boil. Now this is one of the teas which is this kehwa, actually this green tea. These are the kehwa leaves.
Wow.
This is very original of Kashmir,
వావ్.
right? And it has its own distinct smell. It looks like green tea, but it is more of like, the leaves are kind of a little bigger. Right?
దీని అరోమానే వేరేగా ఉంది. ఇది ఎక్కడ దొరుకుద్ది మనకి?
It's available in quite a few stores now.
Yeah?
It's available
Amazon?
on Amazon as well. Yes.
ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు సీ. నాకైతే తిను ఎప్పుడు తనే చేసి ఇచ్చేది, ఇప్పుడే నేర్చుకున్నాను కదా నేను కొనుక్కోవాలి ఇంగ్రీడియంట్స్. సో ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు చెక్అవుట్ అమెజాన్ అండ్ ఒకవేళ నాకు దొరికితే నేను లింక్ పెడతాను మీకు. యా
Done. So now the thing with this tea is there is also another type of tea, which
Okay.
is, as I said, Kashmiris have 4 types of tea, right? So this same tea leaves is used in a namkeen chai, or it is called sheer chai.
సో నమ్కీన్ చాయ్ అంటే పులుపు,
Salty.
సాల్టీ.
Yes.
సో దిస్ ఇస్ స్వీట్. ఓకే, మనకి బికాజ్ హనీ వేసి లైక్ దేర్ ఆర్ ఆల్సో దిస్ లైక్
Almonds.
ఆల్మండ్స్, యా, ఇవన్నీ. సో ఇది స్వీట్ అండ్ దెన్ షీఈ్ ఆల్సో గాట్ అనదర్ వర్జన్.
Yeah.
Manaki-
That's called sheer chai.
Sheer.
Which the tea is pink in color.
Wow.
You actually add cream to the tea. You add salt to the tea.
Wow.
Okay. And it's the same tea leaf. So there are 2 different types of,
మనకన్నా షుగర్ ఉండి అసలు స్వీట్ తినలేము, మనకి మూడ్ లేదు అనుకుంటే ఆ సాల్టీ టీ కూడా వెళ్దాం.
Yeah.
దాన్ని కూడా అడిగేద్దాం రెసిపీ.
that tea is actually very good for digestion, right? So when people are fasting, they usually get an upset stomach or whatever.
Correct.
That is the perfect thing to have. It's like a medicine.
Wow.
But it's also something that people enjoy having when it is cold outside. That is the tea, right?
Excellent.
So today, of course, we are using this tea leaves for kahwa, which is the sweet version. Yeah.
Nice.
So now my water has already started to boil. Now,
ఓకే,
once the water has boiled, okay, I'm going to turn this off. Okay, I'm going to take my.
ఓ సో దీన్ని ఆపేసేయాలన్నమాట. ఒక బాయిలింగ్ పాయింట్కి వచ్చినాక మనము దాన్ని ఆపేస్తున్నాం.
Correct. Now I am going to take.
See, నువ్వు ఇట్లాగా ఇంత అంత అని
Okay.
we won't know. You
So,
tell us the
sorry.
exact measurements.
I have taken 1 teaspoon
Okay.
of kahwa.
Excellent.
Yeah. Now what you want to do is just crush it in your hand.
Oh, wow. So that you're just
That
releasing
kind of,
those.
yeah, and then just drop it in there, right?
Nice.
And cover it. Just give it like 2 minutes, not more than 2 minutes,
Wow.
right? So what happens is the tea leaves, they infuse into the water.
Nice, nice.
And it, and while that is happening, what we do is we will add some
Oh, in the tea. I mean, sorry, in the cups.
directly.
Direct.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Now,
So this is almond powder.
yeah. Well, you can either have whole almonds, sliced
ఎంత
almonds.
ఎంత ఆల్మండ్ పౌడర్ వేయాలి? కొంచెం లైక్ వాట్ ఎవర్, లైక్ హాఫ్ a teaspoon or what?
Yeah. Again, this is just it's not mandatory to have it, but it's just
I know, it's good.
now.
Almonds are good for you.
Yeah, very much so. I'm going to add some honey.
Nice. Lovely.
Yeah, look at that color.
I know. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Okay.
And now it's time to pour the tea. And look at the color.
Wow.
It's
So
kind
we
of
don't need to strain
yellowish
it.
green.
Yeah.
Yes.
Just
we
look at
don't
the
need
color. So directly into the teacup. Oh wow! Look at the color.
Ready to have kahwa.
అమ్మయ్యా, ఫైనల్ గా నేర్చేసుకున్నా.
Cheers, darling.
Cheers. Okay. So hot. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. How is it?
Wow.
ఈ రోజే ట్రై చేయండి and let me know what you think in the comments below. Okay, let's have this with our soup.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. Come on. So, palak soup and keva. Beautiful, fantastic combination. I love this. That ginger, like it's just giving me that little bit of in my throat. Delicious. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Oh, thank you.
And
It was so much fun, Manjula.
yes. So delicious. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. ఇవి ట్రెడిషనల్ కాశ్మీరీ డిషెస్. మనకి ఎప్పుడు పడితే అప్పుడు ఈ రెసిపీస్ దొరకవు. లక్కీగా క్షణాన్ని ఈరోజు పట్టుకొని మనం నేర్చేసుకున్నాం. బట్ ఐఎమ్ సో గ్లాడ్ యూ ఎంజాయ్డ్. ఐ హోప్ యూ లైక్ ద వీడియో బికాస్ మీరు లైక్ చేయాలి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయాలి, షేర్ చేయాలి కదా. దానికి మరి లైక్ చేస్తేనే కదా ఇవన్నీ చేయగలరు. ఇట్ విల్ బీ లైక్ అన్ ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ ఫర్ యూ టు టేక్ దోస్ స్టెప్స్. యా, సో ప్లీజ్ లైక్ ద వీడియో. ఆల్ రైట్, బాయ్ బాయ్ గైస్. We are going to be enjoying the keva and the palak soup. Bye bye.